What's up, Facebook family and friends? Quick little freestyle. This one's for all of you guys viewing this right now, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I know there's a lot of people out there that I don't stay in contact with, that I should be in contact with. But just know that, you know, you're always right here, and I care about you, and if you ever need anything, all you gotta do is call me. Simple as that. Oh, and then don't forget to tap share. It's not that hard. Yeah. Let's get it. Yeah. And we all know this, you know what I'm saying? We all know. They say, yeah, it's what they say. Blood makes you related, but family is all about loyalty. It's about the ones that are there for you when your world is crazy, when your life is hazy. It's about the ones that try to pick you up when you're lazy. I was taught it can't be bought and later learned that it's earned. The most important people are the ones that's concerned about your life, not the ones behind you with a knife. You know the first chance they get they'll strike. So keep your eyes on the rear view, cause you know they got their eyes on you. I think I need a bigger rear view. I got a lot more than I used to. I used to jump to throwing hands, but just like my glove, something that I outgrew. Instead picked up the mic, who would've knew? I got a lot of distant family I haven't seen in years. My number one priority is to keep them eyes dry and away from tears. I keep it close by and always in my prayers. I know we don't talk each day, but no, I care. I keep you in my heart. Remember who was there from the start. In this life you only get one shot, and you can't restart. That's why I want to make sure it's coming from a nice cold bottle of Ciroc. Everybody in this world has their own watch. Very few understand that any second it can stop. I suppose that's why I walk around like my life's a gift shop. Money growing in my backyard, yeah, that's my most valuable crop. And I'm very hungry, so I can't stop. A lot of you state that my freestyles are sick, so I'll pop another cough drop. Roll up to the window of greatness and tell them I need a withdraw. I wanna be what you see, seen and saw. So much greatness, it'll leave you in awe. Just gotta make sure I do it before martial law. Yeah, it's coming. 2 minutes on the beat and I ain't huffing or puffing. I speak the truth, I'm telling you. This nation has been doomed since way back, even before Bush. And I feel it like it's unfair for our youth. I'd say I'm pretty wise and I blame my wisdom tooth. It's telling me if I don't stop, I'll have a line of supporters at the ticket booth. You say I'm great now, imagine me in the booth. Yeah, always representing 505, that's boot camp till I die. I'm trying to be that, this and the. Like, hey, that kid is really good, I know, huh? Yeah. I feel enchanted, granted I'm from the land of enchantment. That's where I bury my seeds, so I'm planted. But I'm not just talking to New Mexico, I'm talking to the whole planet. And if by some miracle we make it to the top, just know we didn't plan it, but simply did it single-handed. It's your boy Chris. Later.